Across North America, the day leans forward on a pulsing rhythm. There is always something new to build and develop. At PALFINGER, we turn effort into progress. We lift what matters with precision, purpose, and pride. PALFINGER is more than a name. One partner, one platform, every lifting solution. Where craft meets grit, parts become purpose. Where movement finds rhythm, reliability takes shape. Every weld, every bolt, every decision, built on excellence. Our people stand behind the work so the day keeps moving. Customers inspire our strength to keep lifting. Uptime is a promise we keep, and innovation fuels our future. Lifetime excellence isn't a phrase, it's our foundation. We are built on excellence to answer every lifting challenge, from the first question to the final solution. We are PALFINGER North America.